everybody. Welcome to Blue Goose Garage. Me and Dad got up here and, showed you us taking that engine out. Well, now it's been rebuilt. New cam, lifters, valve job, bearings, rings, gaskets, seals. And it runs pretty good. Anything you want to add?
You can hear the belts squeaking.
Yeah. I don't think anybody can mess with one of these and not have that belt squeak. So see, you got a V-belt and a flat belt, and it's running on the same pulley. Older stuff didn't do that. Older stuff just ran down to the balancer. Is what it is. Runs good. Good oil pressure. Don't seem to leak nothing now.
See if you can hear the exhaust.
I'm sure you probably can't hear that all that good because this phone likes to cut that out, but it's got a little cam to it. Let me see if I can get back further where you can hear it. Can't really hear it. I mean, maybe Ian's can, but it sounds decent in person. Pretty good oil pressure. It's running up temperature there. Dad had the alternator rebuilt too, so it's charging good. 4-speed, 4-wheel drive, short bed, square body. Anyway, people, that's a little short video, I guess. Tell me what you think. Bye.